Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this top knot bun. So if you are interested to see how I got it, make sure you keep watching. So first and foremost, of course, we're gonna start with detangling our hair, making sure there aren't any knots or tangles or anything. Yeah, I know the drill. But I do want to take this time out to just quickly thank y'all for 400 subscribers on the channel. Like, it's 400 of us now. Like, that's crazy to me. Thank you. I appreciate it. Now back to the video. So I'm only going to use a few products, like always. First, I'm going to start out with my 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐫𝐞𝐧𝐭 gel, the white one, the best one. And I'm just going to apply this to like my edges and the back of my head, like the perimeter, and just to make sure everything is like nice and smooth and everything looks nice and put together and seamless. Once I apply this to the perimeter of my head, I'm going to brush it through. But the way that I do it is I put my hair up into a ponytail first, just, you know, to smooth it out and stuff and to get the hair out my way. And then I'm gonna brush it through, and then I'm gonna actually put it into my high ponytail that I want. I hope that made sense. If not, just watch the clip. So once I have everything smooth and brushed out, I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail. I'm going to try to put the ponytail as high as it could possibly go on the top of my head. Y'all, I don't know why I was having such a hard time making my ponytail tight. Like, I don't know why. I use 2 scrunchies, and that normally could get my hair really tight in a bun. But I don't know, today my hair just was not with it. But basically, yeah, I'm just going to attempt to try and get it into like a tight bun. At this point, my arms are really tired. I had to like lean back in the chair. And then I'm just smoothing it out again, getting some more 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐫𝐞𝐧𝐭 gel, just gelling up the flyaways and stuff. And then I'm gonna work on the baby hairs. This is my favorite part of the hairstyle. Like, I just feel like with the edges and the baby hairs, it just brings the whole look together. Like, it makes it look cute. I'm using this Kiss Edge Control. You could get this at the beauty supply store. But I'm gonna be honest, I really don't like this stuff because it does make my hair kind of flaky and white after a while. So I don't really recommend this. I normally use the Edge Control, but I ran out of that. So I gotta get this one. But yeah, it works as far as like slicking your hair down. It's not gonna go anywhere, especially if you put like a scarf on. But your hair is gonna be white. I don't really know how to fix that. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna put a scarf on to lay everything down, and that's it. This hairstyle is so simple and quick. Like, you can literally do this in like 5 minutes. If you rushing and you gotta get somewhere out the door quick, this is the hairstyle for you. But other than that, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Once again, thank y'all for 400 subscribers. I love y'all so much, and I thank y'all for all the support, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.